What's up, guys? Welcome to What's in the Shop. We're gonna start with an action shot today. Aaron and Max are converting this Aston Martin Vantage, right? Vantage from gloss to stealth black. So what you're seeing here, a rare look behind the scenes. This is stealth film. The car is shiny black, but as you can see, after it's squeegeed, it is satin black. So it's clear, you can see through it, but turns it satin, or a lot of people call that like a frozen finish. BMW has their frozen paints, very similar to that. So really popular choice. More at our Gibsonia store than our Latrobe store. We do more stealth there. Behind that is another stealth wrap, but this is a different situation. This is a factory satin finish paint from Genesis. So the reason it's really important to protect this, you cannot polish this paint, you cannot rub it too hard, you can't scrub it too hard. What you see is what you get. If you get a scratch or anything like that, you're just kind of stuck with it. Stains really easily as well. Paint protection film solves that problem. Now we have a self-healing layer on top that looks the same. So like this hood has xpel Stealth PPF on it. This fender does not. Virtually no difference in appearance. On camera it might look slightly glossier on this, but it's almost identical. So this car is getting wrapped from top to bottom. We're in the process of doing that. And to my left is a 911 Turbo S. You know I'm a Porsche guy, so I drool over these things. This car came in with a 4 or 5-year-old vinyl wrap that the previous owner put on it. The current owner wanted it removed and wanted a new wrap put on to mimic shark blue, or very close to it. So this is a KPMF color that does get really, really close to shark blue. So we're working on that right now, and we've got basically the bumper, the rear spoiler, and some reassembly to do, and this car will be ready to go. In the wash bay, we have a Chevy Equinox. Bryant is working on doing an annual inspection. We also have to re-PPF one of the fenders. I think there was some damage on it. And to my right, Zach's got a unique ceramic coating. No polishing involved in this one because it's a Cybertruck and they're keeping the stainless steel, just ceramic coating over the stainless. So we installed some customer supplied graphics. This guy is a Star Wars fan. He's got some Yodas and Grogus, or Grogu, right? I'm not a Star Wars guy. Grogu and a Mandalorian on the back. And then, so we installed those and now we are ceramic coating it. And Caleb is currently installing the final piece of the puzzle on a Z06. This car was here last week, just getting started. Now it's all done. It's got PPF, full 10 mil wrap on the entire car, ceramic coating inside and out, I believe, and windshield protection film and tint. So pretty much every service we offer is on that thing. In the tint bay, we've got Terrell installing tint on a Kia. And out here, we've got a handful of cars. We have a Tesla refreshed Model Y. This one got window tint. I think it was all the way around. I know that the giant moonroof got done. This is through the Tesla program, I believe. So if you buy a new Tesla, it's going to ask you if you want window tint. There's a handful of shops around the country that are involved in that. We are one of the trusted Tesla partners, and so we do those deals. This is a Civic Si. This one got window tint, Si and Type R. Max is Type R. Everybody in the shop loves to give him crap for it because it's a Honda. We all know they're kind of fast, but we don't want to tell them. So don't tell them. This Ram, this is a kind of a cool story. It got PPF years ago at our old store, like shortly after we got into the PPF game. And so it was the first dually bedside we ever did, the full bedside. And it was really, really hard, and it took a bunch of people. And we do them all the time now, so they're pretty standard operation for us. Anyhow, it came back because I think it was in an accident, and we got to rewrap the first dually bedside that we ever wrapped. So that was kind of cool. This Mazda also got PPF. Mazda's got the best colors. Beautiful red. It's going home today. That's it for what's happening in Latrobe. Let's check out Pittsburgh and Miami.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Over here we have a completed job from our friends at Audi Porsche Swickley. This is a brand new Cayenne in for a full front clip, hood, fenders, bumper, and mirrors. Next up, one of our full wraps of the week is this brand new C8 Z06, and for a full body paint protection film wrap and an 8-year ceramic coating. Another full wrap this week is this Porsche Macan GTS, full 10 mil paint protection film wrap and an 8-year ceramic coating. Back in the PPF bit, we just wrapped up this brand new XB7 Alpina. This got a track package. Very, very aggressive full front here, as many pieces. So you got the bumper, the hood, the fenders, and the mirror caps done. Next up, another truck from IBS, getting an IBS package. Partial front, upper bed sides, upper tailgate, and a rocker panel kit. Behind the ropes here we have a 2025 Yamaha MT-09 SP. This got a full custom paint protection film wrap on it. and a coating on the entire vehicle. So on all the paint protection film, all the engine components that we can access, the wheels, and all the accessories. Up front we have a Ford Explorer here that's got a full body paint correction and an 8-year ceramic coating. Outside we have a Model Y for a very special customer of ours. We are going to be removing and replacing the windshield protection film. It's done its job and run its course. So we're going to take off the film and put a fresh piece on and then do its annual maintenance checkup. Mitsubishi Outlander, this just got wrapped up for a set of fronts, 20% to match the factory tint. Next in line for tint is this Model 3. We are going to be taking care of tinting the side windows and the back window. That is all for Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
Here we have this Tesla Model Y. Came in for a full front paint protection film, full windshield tint in our XR Plus 55, and 20% on the front too to match the back. In the tint bay, we have this GLA getting prepped for a windshield tint. Customer just had the windshield replaced, and we're gonna go ahead and put a brand new XR Plus. Keep them cool from this summer heat. Here we have this Mazda CX-50 that's in for a full front paint protection film and full window tint all around in our ceramic plus film.
Thanks, Felipe and Luke, for showing off your shops this week. Make sure you tune in next week to see what's happening then.